Okay. Okay. All right. So we're looking at this first problem here. So that's 22.99 is my molar mass for that. So we have 4.81 divided by 22.99. So I get point 209, and that's the only one, so that's going to be minus 0.209, going to 0, and that's going to be half of that, so divide by 2, and I get this will be minus 0.105. So what it started at. So I have gonna Pivnert, or I could use the standard molar volume, either one. So I have 1 atmosphere, solving for my volume. I have 0.105 moles, 0.0821, and temperature is standard, so 273. So that gives me 0.105 times 0.0821 times 273. So I'm getting a volume of 2.35 liters. Okay. Let's see. I'm going to go down. All right, so we've got, this is my yield sign there, 3, and that's going to be 4, and let's see, 6 and 4/10, that's 5 there. Okay, so we have, once the volume, change colors, once the volume, and my temperature is 25 plus 273. So that's going to be 298. And my pressure is 1.04. Okay, and I have 5.53 grams. And my molar mass of that, let's see, 3 plus 8. 44.097. So divide by, so 0.125. All right, so we want the oxygen, and it's, so times 5 minus 0.627. And so now, let's see, so 1.04 and 0.627, 1 and 298. So our volume times 1.021 times 298 divided by 1.04. So I'm getting a volume of 14.75 liters on that. Okay, so let's see if there's one where it has it on the, All right, here's a one that is a limiting reactant. That's what I was looking for. Okay, so I have magnesium. I need some molar masses on this. Okay, 3 times 3 plus 2 nitrogens. So I'm getting 100.9. And then, of course, water is 18.02. And okay, so I have 10.3 and and 10.3. Okay. Oh, and I probably need to balance this. Let's see what we got. There's a 3. To do a 3 there, 2 there. That gives me 3 and 6, which would be a 3 there. Okay. 10.3. So 0.102 of the magnesium nitride and 0.572 of the water. And let's see, what do I need? 0.102 times 3. So I need 0.306 of the water to react all the magnesium nitride, and I have more than enough. So this is my limiting reactant. And well, I'll put that in there. I don't really need it for this problem, but 0.572 minus 0.306, 0.266. So it wants the ammonia. So the volume of the ammonia, and my temperature is 24 plus 273. So that would be 297. And my pressure 0.989. All right, so PV equals T 0.989 times my volume and my moles. Oh, I need to do my moles. Let's see. So it's times 2. So 0.204 is my moles that I need. 0.204 times 0.0821 and 297. So volume is 4 times 0.0821 times 297 divided by, so I'm getting 5.03 liters for that one. Okay, so just kind of pretty straightforward there, Bactese and BCA tables. And so the key thing I think to start thinking about is you want to be to recognize, let me just get some space here. All right, is that I can find moles if I have a mass and a molar mass, right? I know what it is and I have grams. If I have a molarity and a volume, then I can find moles. And then now if I have a pressure, a temperature, and a volume, then I can also find moles. So we want to just kind of like be watching for these combos, because anytime you have those combinations, then you can find moles, which is always the good first step. Okay, so let's see. Any questions? Let me go back to being on the meet here. All right, any questions about this? Like I said, it's pretty straightforward. We'll plan on doing a quiz tomorrow. And we'll talk about working with mixtures of gases as well. So I'll have the quiz open where you can, take it whenever you're ready during the day.
How much time is there going to be for the quiz?
Um,
And how long? Like,
I don't intend for it to be very long because it really won't take very many questions to kind of hit, the things that we've done.
okay.
So I don't think I'll probably have it open for 45 minutes, but I don't anticipate it'll take you anywhere near that long.
Okay, thank you.
So, yeah. Any other questions?
So the quiz tomorrow is going to be like using the equation Pivner and the other one with the.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, looking at where you have changing conditions and where you don't have changing conditions. And so I would anticipate probably one where you're finding density, one where I give you the information and you're solving for the molar mass, and then one that's got kind of changing conditions. So maybe 5 questions at most.
Okay.
Okay. But yeah, so we'll talk about mixtures of gases in the morning session. Again, that shouldn't take, I don't anticipate that'll take very long because we've already done kind of a little bit with that, but. All right, I didn't look at the Jam board today, but I think I've answered any questions that were posted there. I haven't checked my email though to look at that, but I will. Okay, so if there aren't any questions, then I will see you guys tomorrow.
Miss Celia, I just wanted you to know for AP CSP that
Yeah.
I went ahead and finished Unit 7. So if you check on that.
Oh, okay, good deal. I'll make a note of that. Okay, I'll see everybody tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.